Hi guys, are you interested in cryptocurrency and see your bright future in it? If yes, we bring you a wonderful token, Tycoon Token. Let us understand about it and how it opens the earning windows for you. Tycoon Token, a most functional template for the BNB blockchain, and it provides unparalleled security and stability for a decentralized application. It aims to help people to make cheap investments, making them independent earners. Let us now understand how this will help people with a business plan to make them financially independent. Business plan: Tycoon Token offers 7 types of business plan slabs. Suppose you take a plan of $1 to $100, then under this plan, 1% of the tokens that you will get within $1 to $100, 1% of the tokens will be given to you daily on the basis of per second. Similarly, tokens will be given daily according to other slabs respectively. Level income, ROI. 50% of the income generated by the person investing in level 1 will be distributed in his upline, meaning that 50% of the tokens that are coming to him will go to his upline. Similarly, 10% in level 2, 5% in level 3, and so on as per the table. Level open income: to get first 5 level incomes in level open income you need 5 direct means. If you want income till second level then you need 2 direct. Similarly, for income up to 12 level, you need 6 directs, and for getting level open income up to 21 level, you need 7 direct. More time you keep token in the wallet, the more your value will be dividend. You can withdraw working income up to 300% on all the packages. If your working income is more than 300%, you have to upgrade your account to withdraw working income. For level 1 to level 5, you should have 5 directs for each level. On the same way, you need 6 directs for level 6 to level 12 income and 7 directs for level 13 to level 21 income. For the number of days you keep the principal on hold, you will continue to receive dividends, and as soon as you withdraw the principal, you will stop receiving dividends. Thank you for giving your valuable time.